How to find stickers on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. To access stickers, you need to create a story. Tap on your profile picture at the top left or swipe right from the home screen to open the story camera. Now, take a photo or select an image from your gallery. Once you have your story ready, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it and a panel will open with different sticker options. Here, you can find stickers for location, mentions, questions, and more. If you are looking for a specific sticker, use the search bar at the top of the panel. Tap on the search bar and type in a keyword. For example, if you type music, you will see different options related to music. Tap on the sticker you want and it will be added to your story. You can move it around, resize it, or delete it if needed. Once you are happy with your story, tap the Your Story button to share it with your followers. That's how to find stickers on Instagram. Stickers.